All right, welcome back for another coffee review. Today we have a Trader Joe's Select Harvest Curated Coffee. It's not a single origin, it's a 50-50 blend of Central American coffees. So El Salvador Pacamara and the Nicaraguan Maragogype. Interesting combination. A couple people requested that I give this a try. So let's check it out. This is part of their, limited time coffees that they have. Okay. Well, one thing I expected to see. So this is definitely, does it say medium roast? This is a medium roast. A medium and a light roast. They look about the same to me. There are some larger beans in here, which is indicative of the Maragogype coffee. Definitely smells Central American. Let's grind some of this up and get some water started. Very foamy crema on there. Definitely notes of caramel. Some woodiness, maybe a little bit of citrus. All right. Now we let it brew. All right. Off the nose, I'm getting like an orange blossom with some wood, caramel. Very nice balanced acidity, a little dry on the tongue. There's a smoothness to this as well. Honey is definitely noticeable because there's this. Starts off with a dark honey and then finishes with a sweeter honey, a more floral honey. I'm also getting. Let's see if this is accurate. Milk chocolate, but specifically like a Kit Kat. Yeah, there's that very milk chocolatey that's on the outside of a Kit Kat. It's that type of chocolate, but there is a little bit of that wafer dry flavor to this as well. So honey, caramel, orange blossom, Kit Kat. Very nice. I think the honey really comes from the Maragogype Nicaraguan coffee. It's pretty rare coffee. They also call that the elephant coffee because those beans are so large. I like to call it the Maragogype, make it sound Italian, but they do have some flavor profiles here on the side. So the El Salvadorian Pacamara. Ooh, okay. A hybrid of the Pachas and the Maragogype variety, hence Pacamara. These beans were grown in the Santa Ana region of El Salvador. Floral aromas, notes of orange, jasmine, chocolate. Yeah, I definitely see that. And then for the Nicaraguan, Nicaragua is my favorite cigar region. Known colloquially as elephant beans on account of their larger size. They have markedly smooth, yes, gently sweet profile. notes of caramel and honey. So very accurate description on this. This is again is a select harvest from Trader Joe's, limited time, so you're going to want to get this if you can. Probably going to be gone by Christmas of 2022. This is sort of like a late summer, fall bean selection. Not single origin, as we know it's two 50-50 blends. I guess we got to give this a score. Very enjoyable coffee. Slightly more medium roast than light roast. We're going to give this an 8.0, so excellent score. Thank you for watching. Thank you for recommending me review this coffee. And if you have another one you'd like me to check out, comment, like, subscribe, Rumble, all that business is greatly appreciated. As always, pray, hope, don't worry, and drink coffee. Till next time.